Have you ever dreamed of working in Europe? Germany is a fantastic place to build a career. Austria is a fantastic place to build a career. They have strong economies and, honestly, so many job opportunities. But getting a job from another country can be hard. A job seeker visa is a special permit that can help you. It lets you travel to Germany. It lets you travel to Austria for a limited time, usually 6 months. During this time, you can search for a job in person. This is a big advantage. It allows you to attend interviews, meet employers, show them you are the right person for the job. It makes the whole process much easier than applying from far away. This special visa is designed for skilled professionals. It is not for everyone. It is for people who have the qualifications that Germany, Austria need. Think of it as a key that opens the door to the European job market. Once you are inside the country, you can look for work in your field. If you find a job that matches your skills, your job seeker visa can be changed into a work permit. This means you can stay and work long-term. To apply for Germany's job seeker visa, you need to meet certain requirements. First, you must have a university degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, degree from a German university, degree from a foreign university. Your foreign degree must be recognized in Germany. Check the Nomad database. You need at least 5 years of related work experience. You must prove you can support yourself while staying. Proof of financial resources, about €1,027 per month for a 6-month stay. Austria uses a points-based system. It's part of the red, white, red card program. You need at least 70 points. Points are given for qualifications, language skills, and age. Younger applicants often score higher. For Germany, you'll need a valid passport, photos, your degree and recognition proof, references, CV, and cover letter. Also proof of funds, health insurance, and translations if required. Austria's documents are similar but tied to points. Bring birth certificate, police checks, translated diplomas, and insurance. Gathering papers takes time, so start early. The application process begins in your home country. You cannot apply for a job seeker visa after you arrive in Germany or Austria. First, find the German or Austrian embassy or consulate in your country. Go to their official website for exact requirements. Find the Austrian embassy if you apply to Austria. There you will find the application form and a detailed checklist. Next, book an appointment, usually online. Slots can fill months ahead, so plan 3-4 months early. Be aware waiting times can be long. At your appointment, submit the form and all supporting documents in person. You will give fingerprints and biometric data. Be ready to explain your job search plan and why you want to work there. Processing can take from a few weeks to a few months. Times depend on embassy workload and time of year. You can sometimes track your application online. If approved, a visa sticker will be placed in your passport showing validity dates. Check name, passport number, and dates carefully and contact the embassy if anything is wrong. Now plan your trip, book flights, and arrange short-term accommodation. Remember, the job seeker visa is your ticket to start the search. Hard work begins when you arrive. Update your CV and practice interviews before you go. Get ready for an exciting new chapter in your life. Congratulations! You have arrived in Germany or Austria. Your journey is not over yet, it is just beginning. The first thing you must do is register your address. In Germany, this is called the Anmeldung. Do it at the Bürgeramt within 2 weeks. In Austria, it's the Meldezettel. Register within 3 days. Bring your passport and a landlord-signed confirmation. After registration, open a bank account. If you used a blocked account, activate it locally. Ensure your health coverage transitions properly. Now focus intensely on your job search. Update your CV to match local standards. Use Stepstone, Indeed, and LinkedIn, and check company career pages. Attend job fairs and networking events to meet people in your industry. Be proactive and make connections. When you receive a job offer, that is a fantastic moment. Act quickly. You must convert your visa after getting a job. Submit your signed contract, passport, and registration to the authorities. In Germany, you may apply for a blue card or a residence permit via the Ausländerbehörde. In Austria, apply for the red, white, red card via the Magistrat or Bezirkshauptmannschaft. Prepare your documents perfectly, prove you have funds, and have a clear job search plan. With careful preparation, your dream of working in Europe can become a reality.